A CAGR of 10.7% is expected for the global fiber optic connector market due to the growing demand during the forecast period. The overall fiber optic connector market size is anticipated to be appraised at $14,484.8 million by 2032, up from $5,256.6 million in 2022. Deployment of 5G and LTE networks in the telecom infrastructure requires an ultra-flexible network that can be acquired from the fiber optic connector market to achieve a true revolution. Video streaming and gaming have become two of the largest drivers of higher bandwidth as the number of internet users has grown in the last 2 decades. Owing to their ability to provide compact size, low back reflection, reliable network connections, etc., fiber optic connectors have become the preferred transmission. The decreasing prices of data plans and the rising number of internet users have increased the use of data consumption worldwide. Competitive landscape key players are primarily focusing on the construction of cost-effective fiber optic cables to attract more consumers.